Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Burberry model B4216 in color code 3001/8G. It's a dark Havana gold, white, tan color frame. On the temple we have the Burberry detailing. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy, and this is the serial number. This is the other side of the temple. It is the same. The lenses are a gray gradient color. This frame is RXable. Up here we have a Burberry gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.